Adding and subtracting polynomials. You've been doing this for a while, so I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time looking at this. Basically, you need to combine like terms. So what are like terms? Well, x squared and x squared. Okay, like terms. Or maybe x to the third y and x to the third y. Those are like terms. So they have to have the same exact exponents, the same exact variables with it. Okay, so if we have something that might be 3x cubed minus 6x plus 1, something like that. Okay, so this is subtraction. Please make sure you distribute the negative sign just like we did with complex numbers. Distribute it out so the first parenthesis stays the same. Nothing changes there. Distribute the negative sign out, so this becomes negative 2x cubed, negative and negative, positive 3x squared, negative and a positive, negative 7. Now combine like terms. Remember, you must put it in standard form. So look at your highest exponent. Well, the highest exponent is 3. Okay, so I have a 3x cubed there. I have a negative 2x cubed there. Well, 3 minus 2 is just 1x cubed. You don't have to put the 1 if you don't want to. Let's look for x squared terms. Well, so that one's gone and that one's gone. X squared, there's only one x squared term, so it just comes down. Plus 3x squared. Okay, after the x squared comes the x's. Well, there's only one x term, so just minus 6x. And then comes our constant terms. So now we have a positive 1 and a negative 7. So we have 1 minus 7, which is negative 6, and that would be your answer. So when doing problems like this, when adding and subtracting polynomials, just combine like terms. Please make sure that you distribute out that middle sign if you are adding and subtracting. Okay, so if we get something a little bit more confusing, maybe something like that. Okay, distribute the positive. So doesn't change any of our signs. Now combine like terms. Well, you're going to ask which one to put first. Well, the one that adds up to be the most. Well, this is a 2 and a 1, so that's a 3. That's a 1 and a 1, so that's only 2. So that's the term we're going to put first. So we got to look for more x squared y's. Well, there's another x squared y right there. So we have 2 of them here and positive 6 of them there. So that makes 8 x squared y's. And then we have a negative 3xy here. We have a positive 7xy there. That makes 4xy's. All right? So that's how we add and subtract polynomials. You've been doing it forever. Just combine like terms. Make sure you distribute out your signs. Pay close attention to make sure you put it in standard form, which means from the highest exponent down to the lowest exponent, okay? Or highest degree down to the lowest degree.